Hey guys, got the Wyze Cam Floodlight Pro here, 180 wide angle AI powered motion detection, adjustable 3000 lumens with a 2K HD resolution. Here's our unit here. Got our neutral and our live wire here. We also have on the back side, we have the setup button right here. Excuse me. Got the setup button, and then we have the micro SD slot. Make sure that you do it towards the logo or the image towards the actual SD logo that's imprinted on the camera. That way you don't put it in wrong or jam it up or break it. So let's go ahead and get this guy installed. We got a nice cover over here. We'll peel this off at the end. Looks like we got a light, status light, and then we're gonna have infrareds in here as well. So along with the speaker, and I'm sure a microphone. So yep, right there, the 4 dots microphone. So let's take a look and see. So I recommend picking a location on your home, which we actually had a spotlight right here, spotlight cam with a ring, and we're going to replace it and put it right there. We'll run our electric through. We're going to tie into one of the outlets right there. So here we go. Get yourself a drill with a long bit, make sure battery's charged, and go from there. Looks like it also comes with this unit here, which is the mounting bracket plate. So here's how it's going to line up. So we're just going to make sure we have this correct up there. So we're going to be mounting it vertically up there instead of it being like this, where you normally mount. We're actually going to mount it up like this. So we could have our camera A like that, or like this. I'm going to go the other way since we're going to have our night vision, and our infrared sensors are going to be better. So also it doesn't just broadcast that it's a Wyze product with the speaker. We'll have it like this, so that way the sound is going down rather than up. So here we go. All right, we got our hole drilled, and we're gonna go ahead and fish our Romex through. And we're gonna tie it into an outlet. Here we go. And there you have it. You can see the whole street. This is a great camera.